give ideas. Alright, last one.
Okay, I said students because they are they cannot overrule anybody. They are small and weak and
Okay.
we're not allowed to do anything.
Well, in the schools.
In the school, yeah.
Like say, I
So
don't
you're
want
gonna
to
say
do my
something?
work unless we get the decision.
No? Okay. Garrett?
Students because they learn and they don't command anybody besides themselves, but they're in a group, like why don't you do that?
I don't do that. Okay. Alright.
That's what they learn.
They learn, they come here to learn. Okay.
Code
Is that it? Well, that's the students learn. They said last time they said they don't get paid.
They don't get
Student council gets paid.
Council doesn't get paid either.
That's just what they said.
You get paid.
Maybe in some zones.
I don't think they get paid. Alright, well, we're gonna do a little reading.
Hey, so much money you pay everybody.
So if you'd open your your books to page 91. Page 91. So the Egyptians had a pyramid like this with their social classes. And this is how they would rank their social classes. Social classes. So you guys already talked about the Pharaoh, right? The Pharaoh would be all the way at the top. Because he's like the king. The king. He's in charge of everyone. And like the principal's in charge of the school. So would anyone like to start reading? As much as you want. Please stop.
In this chapter, you will meet members of the Egyptian society. You'll learn about Egyptian life was like during the New Kingdom, about 1500 to 1100 BCE. Each year was an hour of learning day. All of Egypt celebrated the festival. Work in the field stopped while people at all levels of Egyptian society learned to integrate personal, other than their Pharaoh and the God
Almost everyone in Egyptian society took part in the Opet festival. Priests decorated the god statue with jewelry. They put the statue in a shrine and placed the shrine on a ceremonial boat called a barbecue. The beautiful decorated boat was made by artisans. Four craftspeople, high-ranking government officials competed for the honor of carrying the barbecue on poles through the town. Members of the lower levels of society, such as farmers, lined the streets to watch the procession. Scribes made written record of the celebration. Colin.
Didn't raise my hand.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question too.
You have a question?
What's your name? You want to say Colin?
Patron.
The what?
Patron. Patron says
It's where they're
Patron, like his partner, kind of, or
What's that mean?
his wife.
Like his-
probably not his wife, but kind of just like assistant principal, kind of just like someone to help him,
Do
and someone that was like his right-hand man.
like his
In
of honor.
Garrett, to answer your question, in the context of it, the patron would kind of be like his assistant because it's referring to the god Amun-Ra. And so Amun or Amun-Ra would have been the kind of patron, the god of Egypt or the god of that city. So the pharaoh is seen as the supreme power, but so is the patron Amun-Ra.
Any other questions?
Alright.
You want to read? All right, go ahead.
The Opet festival brought all these groups together, but in everyday life, they belonged to very different social classes. These classes social pyramid, with the pharaoh at the top and the peasants at the bottom. In between were government officials, priests, scribes, and artisans. The daily lives of the Egyptian people were distinct for each class.
Okay. Picture one. Not Preston, here you go.
Yeah, no, but he lets us read again.
I just want everyone to get a chance first, then you can read it.
In this chapter, you will learn about the various classes that made up Egypt's social pyramid. Then you'll explore how social rank determined advantages and disadvantages, their responsibilities, and the quality of daily life for the members in each class.
Picture on the left there on page 90 is a picture of that festival that they had, and you can see, it looks like it's the pharaoh there or something that's being held up, sitting there, and then there's people all over the roofs and all that. All right.
Is that like the place he hangs out? That huge triangle? Is that like his building?
I'm not really sure.
Checkers.
All right, go ahead and go to page 92.
That's chess.
Yeah, that's
You're being a chess player.
Ancient Egypt social pyramid. Each Egyptian society was structured like a pyramid. At the very top of the social pyramid was the pharaoh, Egypt's supreme ruler. Egyptian religion strengthened the pharaoh's authority. Pharaohs were believed to be gods, and their word was law. Next in importance was several layers of social classes. The classes near the top of the pyramid had fewer people and enjoy higher status. The classes near the bottom had greater number of people but lower status. Below the pharaoh were the next two highest classes. In the social pyramid of government officials and priests. They were most powerful groups in Egypt. Government officials carried out the orders of the pharaoh. Most officials came from noble families. They were powerful and wealthy, and they enjoyed a high quality of life. Priests were also a powerful group because religion touched every part of people's daily lives. Priests were in charge of the temple's religious rituals. They also oversaw the important ceremonies surrounding death and burial. Next on the social pyramid were scribes. Scribes held a respected position in society. They record information for government and religious leaders. It took many years of school to become a scribe.
Artisans occupied the next layer of the social pyramid. This group included craftspeople like carpenters, metalworkers, painters, sculptors, and stone carvers. Artisans were highly skilled, but they had little social status. Preston.
Wait, where are we? At this one?
At the bottom.
Okay. Wait, what?
It's literally at the
I
bottom.
know. At the bottom of the society pyramid, social were the peasants. They were the largest social class. Peasants worked on the land, providing the Egyptians with a steady food supply. When not farming, peasants worked on the pharaoh's massive building projects.
Okay. So now, in your pink books, go ahead and go to the next page, 66.
What was that thing?
And now you're gonna, on page 92 is the pyramid of how the Egyptians were ranked in their social class. So I want you to go ahead and write that in the pyramid and then draw a little symbol.
What's that butterfly at the top?
See?
That's the hat.
Read it, see? The pharaoh, Egypt's supreme ruler, wore a special headdress like this.
I thought it looked like a butterfly.
And as a symbol
Yeah, it
of,
did
it's a
look
symbol
like
of his power, so if you gotta draw a symbol representing each one, and then just write a short sentence on how that symbol describes or explains
Wait, do we have
that
to do like,
social class. Yes.
do we have to do an Egyptian symbol or just like an Emirates?
Any symbol that will help you remember what that person did.
Government officials, I use like a mallet as in like used in court.
Yeah.
Wait, what's the